students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution class 7 maths chapter 13 exponents and power exercise 13.2. So let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is using laws of exponent simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So 3 square into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8 by the rule of multiplying the powers with the same base. So 3, 2 plus 4 plus 8, that is 3 raised to 14. 6 raised to 15 divided by 6 raised to 10 by rule of dividing the powers with the same base. So 6, 15 minus 10, that is 6 raised to 5. A cube into a square. So a 3 plus 2, that is a raised to 5. 7x into 7 raised to 2, that is 7x plus 2. 5 square bracket cube divided by 5 cube. So by rule of taking power of as a power. So 5 2 bracket 3 it can be written as 5 2 into 3, that is 5 raised to 6. 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 3, that is 5. 6 minus 3, that is 5 raised to 3. 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 by rule of multiplying the powers with the same exponent. So 2 into 5, that is 10 raised to 5. So 10 raised to 5. A raised to 4 into B raised to 4. So A into B upon 4. So AB raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 bracket 3 can be written as 3. 4 into 3, that is 3 raised to 12. 2 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 15 into 2 raised to 3. First we'll be using the dividing rule of dividing. So 2 raised to 20 minus 15, that is 2 raised to 5. Now we will multiply using the rule of multiplying the power with the same base. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3 can be written as 2 raised to 5 plus 3, that is 2 raised to 8. 8t divided by 8 raised to 2. So 8t minus 2. Question second, simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. So 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 32. So the factors of 32 is 2 raised 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to 5. Factors of 4 is 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to square. So 2 raised to cube into 3 raised to 4 into 2 square divided by 3 into 2 raised to 5. First we will use the formula of rule of multiplying with the same base. So 2 cube and 2 square can be added. So 2 raised to 3 plus 2 into 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 into 2 raised to 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we will minus 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 5 minus 5 into 3 raised to 4 minus 1. So 2 raised to 0 into 3 raised to cube. So 2 raised to 0 is always 1. Any number, any base with an exponent 0 is always 1 into 3 raised to cube. So the answer is 3 raised to cube. Next, 5 square bracket 3 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 7. So 5 raised to 2 bracket raised to 3 can be written as 5 raised to 6. 5 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 7. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 7. So 5 raised to 10 minus 7, that is 5 raised to 3. 25 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 3. So 25 raised to 4 can be written as 5 into 5 raised to 4, or we can write 5 square up, bracket raised to 4. So it can be written as 5 raised to 8. So 5 raised to 8 divided by 5 raised to 3. So 5 raised to 8 minus 3, that is 5 raised to 5. 3 into 7 square into 11 raised to 8 divided by 21 into 11 raised to cube. So 21 it can be written as 7 into 3. So 3 into 7 square into 11 raised to 8 divided by 7 into 3 into 11 cube. We can subtract. So 3, 1 minus 1 into 7, 2 minus 1 into 11, 8 minus 3. So 3 raised to 0 into 7 into 11 raised to 5. So 3 raised to 0 is 1, 7 into 7 into 11 raised to 5. So the answer is 7 into 11 raised to 5. Next, 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3. First we will add in the division only. So 3 raised to 4 plus 3, that is 7. So 3 raised to 7 minus 7, that is 3 raised to 0. 3 raised to 0 means it is 1. Next, 2 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to 0 is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. 2 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 0 into 4 raised to 0, that is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 3 raised to 0 into 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 0. So 1 plus 1 into 1. So 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 3 into a raised to cube. So 4 cube can be written as 2 into 2 whole cube, that is 2 square upon 3, or we can say 2 raised to 6. So 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 6 into a raised to 3. So 8 minus 6, that is 2 raised to 2, and a 5 minus 3, that is a raised to 2. So it can be written as 2a square. A raised to 5 divided by a raised to 3 into a raised to 8. So a 5 minus 3, that is 2, a into a raised to 8. So that is 2 plus 8, so a raised to 10. Next, 4 raised to 5 into a raised to 8 b raised to cube divided by 4 raised to 5 into a raised to 5 b raised to square. So we can subtract. So a 5 minus 5 into a 8 minus 5 into b 3 minus 2. So a 4 raised to 0 into a cube b. So the answer is a cube b. Next, 2 cube into 2 whole bracket square. So 2, 3 plus 1, that is 4 whole bracket square. So 2 raised to 4 into 2, that is 2 raised to 8. Third question, say true or false and justify your answer. 10 into 10 raised to 11 equals to 100 raised to 11. Let us consider left hand side 10 into 10 raised to 11. That is 10, 1 plus 11, that is 10 raised to 12. Now consider RHS, that is 100 raised to 11. So 10 into 10 whole bracket 11. So 10, 1 plus 1 whole bracket 11. So 10 square whole bracket 11. So 10, 2 into 11, that is 10 raised to 22. By comparing LHS and RHS, both are not equal. So the given statement is false. Second, 2 cube is more than 5 square. Now LHS side we considered, so 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Now LHS side 5 square, that is 5 into 5, 25. So by comparing LHS and RHS, 2 cube is less than 5 square. So the given statement is false. 2 cube into 3 square equals to 6 raised to 5. So first we will consider LHS, that is 2 cube into 3 square. So 2 cube into 3 square is 72. RHS side, if we take 6 raised to 5, that is 7776. So both are not equal. So the statement is false. 3 raised to 0 equals to 1000 raised to 0. Now 3 raised to 0 is 1 and 1000 raised to 0 is also 1. So LHS and RHS both are equal. So this statement is true. Next, fourth question, express each of the following as the product of prime factors using in exponential form. So 108 into 192. The factors of 108 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 raised to square into 3 raised to cube. And factors of 192 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 raised to 6 into 3. Now 2 square into 3 cube into 2 raised to 6 into 3. So 2 raised to 2 plus 6 into 3 raised to 3 plus 1. So 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 4. Second question, 270. Factors are of 270 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 3 cube into 5. Third question, 729 into 64. 729 factors are 3 raised to 6 and 64 factors are 2 raised to 6. So 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 6 is the answer. 768. The factors are 2 raised to 8 into 3. Fifth, simplify. 2 raised to 5 bracket whole bracket square into 7 cube. Divide by 8 cube into 7. 8 cube can be written as 2 cube whole bracket cube. So 5 into 2 into 7 cube divided by 3 into 3 into 7. So 2 raised to 10 into 7 cube divided by 2 raised to 9 into 7. Now 2 raised to 10 minus 9 into 7 raised to 3 minus 1. So 2 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 2. So 2 into 7, that is 98. 25 into 5 square into t raised to 8 divided by 10 cube into 10 raised to 4. So 25 can be written as 5 square. 10 cube can be written as 5 into 2 whole cube, that is 5 cube into 2 cube. So 5 square into 8t raised to 8 divided by 5 cube into 2 cube into t raised to 4. So 2 plus 2 into t raised to 8 divided by 5 cube into 2 cube into t raised to 4. So we will plus minus. So 4 minus 3, that is 1. T 8 minus 4, that is t 4. And 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2. So 5t raised to 4 divided by 8. 3 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 5 into 25. Divide by 7 raised to 5 into 6 raised to 5. So 10 raised to 5 can be written as 5 into 2 whole bracket raised to 5. That is 5 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5. 25 can be written as 5 into 5, that is 5 square. 6 raised to 5 can be written as 2 into 3 whole bracket 5, matlab means 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. Now we will put the values. We will plus minus. So 5 minus 5 into 7, 5, 7 minus 7 into 2, 5 minus 5. So 3 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 0 into 2 raised to 0. So 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. So this was exercise 13.2 of chapter 13, class 7. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in the comment section if you have any. or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.